In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a live Google Sheets spreadsheet into a Google Doc. This process is incredibly useful for anyone who wants to ensure their document always reflects the most current data without needing to manually update it each time. Let's dive into the details of how you can achieve this seamless integration. First, let's start by navigating to your Google Sheets document. Open up the specific spreadsheet that houses the data you'd like to link to your Google Doc. Once you're in, carefully select the cells that contain the data you wish to embed. It can be an entire table or even a smaller selection depending on your needs. With the data highlighted, you'll want to copy it. If you're using Windows, you'll do this by pressing Ctrl+C, and if you're on a Mac, you should press Command+C. This copies your selected cells to your clipboard, setting you up for the next step. Now let's switch over to Google Docs. Open the document where you want to insert your spreadsheet data. Once your document is open and loaded, navigate to the spot where you'd like the table to appear. This could be anywhere in the document, so choose wisely based on your layout needs. Now you're ready to paste the data. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+V if you're on a Windows machine. If you prefer using your mouse, you can also right-click and select Paste from the menu. As you do this, you might notice a pop-up appearing, which prompts you with a couple of options. This pop-up is key to ensuring your table stays live and updated. Let's take a closer look at this pop-up. It allows you to link this table back to your original spreadsheet, which is exactly what we want to do. So, from the pop-up, make sure to select the option that says Link to Spreadsheet. By doing so, you're effectively creating a dynamic connection between your Google Sheets data and your Google Doc. This means that any changes made in the spreadsheet will be reflected in your document. Here's how live updates to your data work. After embedding and linking your table, if any changes occur in your Google Sheets, you don't need to worry about manually updating your Google Doc. When you notice that the spreadsheets have been updated, simply open your Google Doc. Above the table, you'll see an Update button. By clicking this button, your table will automatically refresh to reflect the most current data from the spreadsheet. This ensures your document always displays the most accurate and up-to-date information possible. Now that you know how to keep your Google Docs synced with live data from Google Sheets, you're all set to make your documents as dynamic or up-to-date as you need them to be. Happy linking, and see you next time.